In this edition of Tech Talks, we'll discuss the VPN failover option available in Cisco Small Business RV series routers. Stay tuned. For this demonstration, we're using two routers. On the first router, we can see that there are two WAN interfaces, configured WAN 1 and WAN 2. On the remote site router, both WANs are configured and up as well. If we go to the VPN section and select Site to Site, we'll see that the site-to-site VPN is also showing up in its status by the WAN 1 interface. In this scenario, we can verify the same if we then navigate to the remote site. To configure the VPN failover, we will select the site-to-site connection and edit the tunnel. We can now see that we have selected the primary interface, WAN 1, for this VPN tunnel, and that the remote endpoint that's selected is WAN 1 interface IP. We'll also see that the local subnet and remote IP subnet for LAN is showing. If we go to Advanced Settings, we'll want to make sure the Keep Alive and DPD Enable are checked. Next, we'll go to the failover. We'll select the tunnel backup option and choose whatever local interface we wish to use for whenever our primary interface goes down. Based on this scenario, we'll need to configure the settings on both routers accordingly. In this case, we have WAN 2 as the failover option and the local WAN interface WAN 2. We can now check the reachability for both and verify that both can reach the remote router LAN IP. We can tear down the WAN 1 connectivity on both sites to see if the VPN tunnel switch to the WAN 2 interface happens automatically. We can see that the remote connectivity is down and should come back once the tunnel interface is paired with WAN 2. We can see now that the reachability has returned. We can access the router and navigate to the site-to-site VPN option, and we will see that the VPN tunnel will be up with the WAN 2 interface. This will reflect both sites. After refreshing our browser, we can see that this site has the VPN tunnel paired up with WAN 2 interface as well. This is how the VPN failover option works in Cisco Small Business routers. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.